In this video, I'll detail how to enable invite family sharing on Samsung Galaxy phone. So, with your Samsung phone invite sharing, all your Samsung phone member will be able to enjoy your internet connection using auto hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy device. So with this, you only need to sign into the other Samsung devices or ask the family sharing to accept the invite so that they can easily use your Samsung phone auto hotspot. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you need to do to enable invite family sharing on Samsung Galaxy phone is go to your Samsung phone settings. Now on the settings page, scroll down and click on connections. Once you click on that, in the connection page, scroll down and click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then click on mobile hotspot. You want to scroll down the page a bit. Here, locate auto hotspot and click on that. Then under auto hotspot, click on family sharing. And you should see your Samsung phone account here. Then here's my family. Turn on family sharing. Then click on family sharing. Then you should see option to turn this on. Turn this on. Then you should see find your family and friends in your contact. Click on OK. This is going to import all your contacts on your Samsung Galaxy phone and see which of your families that are using Samsung device that you can easily share with. However, if you have any of them here, go ahead and click on people you can share with and select all. Then if you have anyone who is on the Samsung page or is using Samsung Galaxy phone, then you see the contact and you'll be able to share your internet with them on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So in this case, I do not have anyone. So that's why you see I'm unable to share my Samsung Galaxy auto hotspot with them in this case. So this is how you can easily turn on family sharing and enable Samsung phone auto hotspot on your device. So found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.